Welcome to the Netherlands! With its picturesque windmills, bike-friendly roads, and extensive network of public transportation, getting around the Netherlands has never been easier. The most common form of transportation in the Netherlands is cycling. With over 18 million bicycles outnumbering the country's population, it's no surprise that the Netherlands is considered the most bike-friendly nation in the world. The Netherlands is also home to an extensive network of public transportation. From trams and buses to trains and ferries, there are plenty of options for getting around the country. For those looking for a more luxurious travel experience, the Netherlands also offers taxi services and car rentals. Whether you're looking to explore the country on your own or with a group, there are plenty of options to choose from. So what are you waiting for? Get on the road and explore the Netherlands. With so many transportation options, you're sure to find a way to get around the country that suits your needs.